this video we're going to have a look at creating perfect skin. So we've got a shot that looks like this. Now this is the end product of our edit, and let's go and look at the before. And you can see there we've got a lot more problems like spots and little birthmarks. That's not necessarily a problem, but you can get rid of those if you want to. And let's go back to the after, and you can see it's got a healthy looking nose here, but if we go back to before, we've got a hot spot there. That could be caused by suntan lotion and the sun reflecting off it, or it could be flash bouncing off shiny and oily skin. So what we'll do is show you how to use a spot healing brush to get rid of the spots, and also that will target the hot spots as well quite easily. The trickiest challenge we've got is, let's just zoom in and have a gander at this patchy red skin here. Now that's quite hard to get rid of because of the patchiness. You can't just apply an overall colour adjustment to the whole layer. You have to target these particular red colours here, and in CS we'll show you how to use colour range to make that particular selection, and then we'll use an adjustment layer to tweak the reds and get rid of them. We're also going to use adjustment layers in elements as well, but we can't use colour range. So what I'll do is I'll show you in part 3, I think it'll be how to actually create an adjustment layer, and then how to use brushes to paint on the adjustment layer's mask so that it only affects the areas that you want it to affect, like these red blotches. So that's a little bit more complex once we get to the blotchy face, but in the next movie we'll start off with the easy stuff, and we'll use a spot healing brush to get rid of all the spots and the birthmarks around the shot. So let's just quickly go back to the final version, and you can see there it's much more healthy looking, but you still preserve the character and the identity of the person, and you just make them look their best, which they may well look a few days later anyway, because skin changes from day to day. So I'll see you in part 2, and we'll start busting those spots.